Hey guys, this is Mike here. So welcome for another tutorial. So today we focus on Tinkercad. So that's online 3D software to design all type of 3D objects so that you can use to 3D print after that. So you can download those files and use the 3D printer to print them. So you can more or less do all type of things. So kids can use them as well. So today we try to make a ring, a fancy ring. It's pretty simple to do, so you can have also more difficult way to do it, if you want to be more precise, but today we stay really simple, so we want an easy thing to do. So when you open, you need to go to tinkercad.com. So you go there, and after that you choose design. You can do different things with it, so you can choose you can do a 3D circuit with it, you can do a simulation, and you can do 3D design. So you need to choose 3D design, and that will brings you here, that interface. So you can see here we have pre-made shapes. So you can see here when you click on the arrow, you have basic shapes, design starter. You see you get different things, squares, 1, 8. Click here, creatures. We got chicken paw, eyes, and all type of things. Today we focus on basic shapes. So I say we want to make a ring. For that, let's get with that one. It's called we got a torus here. We got a one called tube. So we just get that here. All right. And here it depends what you need. You're familiar with. You can use millimeter, or you can use inches. Alright, so let's say we want to make something for a finger. So I want to put 0.7. So you see the thing here. You're gonna see that's the ring. That's gonna be also the height of it. For the height, I want to put it. You see this. You can click on this one here, this square here. I want it to be at 0.2. Click on it and click on 0.2. So you see, let's take a look. You see, it's getting shorter. And I want to show you the change, the length and the width. I want all of them to be at 0.7. So everybody got that big fingers. So let's do that. 0.7. Voila. That's pretty nice. So that's the ring. So now I want to add some kind of spurs, I want to say. For that, I want to get this object. It's called roof. So you hold down your left click and you drag and drop it here. Alright, so I want to turn this first. So let's take a look like this. The top view, click on that top view and click shows here, and I want to turn it at 90 degrees. Alright, and now I want to change the view. So you see I can click here. Alright, so the view is changed, but I'm below the plane. So if you want it to go a bit up, you're gonna use the right click and also the shift key. Alright, that's how we do. And you can stop it wherever you want. Alright, now so you click on the roof here. You see that arrow here, and I turn it and I want it to be at 90 degrees. Alright, so let's take a look here. You see you have the work plane to see where we work, but you see this is underneath. So I want that to go a bit upper. Alright, so now it's at 0. So on the same plane as this. So let's go at top. I want to reduce the height of this. So let me click on it. Change the view a little. And I want to change this. I want to put it at 0.2 inches. 0.2. Voila. Alright. Let's go on the top view. I want this to be a bit smaller. Alright. 1/4. 1/4. Alright. So now I want to change the view, so you can hold down the right key and on the mouse, and you can keep holding it so you see up. You can have different things like this, different views. I click on top. I want to move this. I want to put it just right here. Alright. So it looks like. So I want 4 of them. One here, one here, one here. This is what we're gonna do. I want to click on it. I click on Control C, Control V. Then like with Microsoft Word, we got one. Do the same thing, Control C, Control V. I got another one here. Control C, Control V. And I have another one here. Alright, so good. That works too. Little mistakes, but yeah, it's so good. I put that one here. Can we just decide a little bit? Voila. There you go. So let's go to the top view. Now we need to shift it a little bit. So right click down and the shift key. So I want to turn this 90 degrees. So I do it this way. There you go. And I do the same for this one. 90 degrees. Alright, a little mistake. It's 0.2. It happens sometimes. Alright. Hold it down. Bring it here. Let me change the view. Alright. It's not that dumb. Voila. See, we're not all the same size, but let's put it at 1/4. 1/4. See 1/4 here. Voila. So voila. Try to move those. See here. So if you want to move those, having more precision, you can go to snap grid here and choose like between 132 and 116 inch. Alright, so this is what it looks like. That's the end of the tutorial, I want to say. But before that, you need to make all of them. See here we got different parts. So we have the different triangles here and the circle. So we're gonna hold down on the left click, select all of it, and we click on this here, group. So this is what it looks like. So this is what our wing wheel looks like. So now we have the file. So we're trying to import it for 3D printer. 3D printer use different extensions, like like Word, Word using thing.doc. I don't quite remember, but something like this. So for this we use export for the 3D printer, and you see here you got .obj and .stl. So you can choose .stl, and it goes like this. So now you can use that file and load it in a 3D printer. So that's going to be for another tutorial. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's see what it looks like now. So I hope you enjoy it, and please give it the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Alright, thank you.